Hi everyone, I hope everyone is having a great week and a happy Thursday. I'm Brenda Emmerich and this is your Costa Mesa Minute for Thursday, August 11th. Super news for any local Costa Amazing artists watching. The Costa Mesa Cultural Arts Committee currently has 3 different Call for Artists opportunities. The committee is seeking art submissions from local artists for a public mural project that will be held at Tewinkle, a local artist directory to better highlight Costa Mesa's growing population of local artists, and finally, artwork for Art Venture 2016, the Cultural Arts Committee annual signature event fusing art and entertainment together. All Call for Artist opportunities are posted on the city's website with details of each one and any applications you may need, so check it out. The Orange County Sanitation District and Orange County Water District will host a community open house this Saturday, August 13th from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. You'll be able to tour Orange County's largest wastewater treatment facility, enjoy games, food, music, and get in on the compost giveaway. Space is limited, so visit the Orange County Sanitation District or the Orange County Water District websites to RSVP. The OC Fair is still in town, but not for long. Only here until the end of the week. The fair will soon pack up and head out. Make sure to stop by between now and this Sunday, August 14th, for this season's ending dose of fair rides, fair games, fair music, and of course, fried fair food. Yum! And that's Costa Mesa Today in a minute or two. Remember, if it happens in Costa Mesa, it's news to us. I'm Brenda Emmerich. Thanks for making us part of your day.